All right, just wanted to make a quick video for those of you who are owners of vehicles that have Turbo350s, TH350s. This car is a 68 Chevelle. It's an original SS396. However, somebody unfortunately ripped out the big block and the manual transmission, which is sad, but they left us with a Turbo350, and I'm gonna give you some light. One moment. So, quick video on adjusting your Turbo350 transmission. Situation I was having was you'd go to take the vehicle out of park, pick up on a little lever here on the horseshoe or the staple, whatever you want to call it. Put it in reverse, that was great. Put it in neutral, that was great. Put it in drive, that was great. Pick up on it, drop it into second, that was perfect. And then I couldn't seem to get it back far enough. It's like it was bottoming out on the console or doing something weird. When in fact, kind of went through the forums a little bit. I'm sure this might be super easy for some of you who are very familiar with these, but this is all new to me. So basically, long story short, you can pull your console out of the way. All you got to do is take those Phillips head screws out of the top and pop your little shift. What's it called? Pop that piece out, and then you can remove your console after you take these two screws out, and that gives you access to these two bolts right here. Hopefully yours are less rusty than mine, but you can loosen this up. It's a 1/2 inch, and this one as well. And basically all you have to do is shift this linkage backwards or move your shifter forwards, and then tighten the bolts back up, and then you should be able to clear all the gears. So that's reverse, neutral, drive, second, first. So exciting times. I hope this video helps somebody. Definitely would have saved me some time and climbing underneath, looking at linkage, thinking I had, bigger problems when this could just be solved in about 2 minutes. So best of luck. Thanks for watching. Nothing more depressing than trying to find pavement. This is all ice. There we go. Now we're talking. All right. Hoisty in. Nothing like baking some brand new tires, right?